If you're looking for a laptop stand, this is the video for you. In this video, I'm reviewing the Megastro laptop stand that I have been using it for more than 4 months at my working desk. I tested so many laptop coolers, stands and wooden ones as well. But this one is a little different. First of all, I liked it. I added the timestamps for this video. You can check for a better viewing experience. Now let's start with the unboxing so that you have an idea of what are the things you get inside the box. Inside the box, we get this stand and some extra cable spirals as complimentary. Check the link that I provided in the description box to see whether it is still listed or not on Amazon. There is no fancy stuff that you get inside the box, only you get the stand. Of course, the carry bag is also provided. If you observe here on my product, my name is printed. If you want, you can also order from the website and give it your name, or if you are presenting it to anybody, you can give that name as well. But this feasibility is only available if you order from the website, not from Amazon. Now I'm going to share my complete usage experience of this laptop stand. First things first, we get 7 height adjustments options, which is good. You have full freedom to adjust this laptop stand. Next thing, the steadiness is good. I use it a 15.6-inch gaming laptop that weighs around 2.4 to 2.6 kilograms. This stand can easily bear that load. If in case you are using bigger like 17-inch laptops, just check about the weight. I think almost close to 3 kilograms, this laptop stand can bearable. The next thing I liked was the grips they provided. On the back side, in each corner, one rubber grip is provided for that steadiness, and on the top you can observe it here, there are a total of 6 rubber grips are there where the laptop is contacted to this stand. Even though I'm using this laptop stand rough and tough and carried in my bag, oh yeah, you can carry it very easily guys due to its compact design. The glue they provided for these rubber grips is good. These grips are good and they help to eliminate minor accidental movements when you keep your laptop. Next, talking about the hinge movements, these are also good and so smooth. We get some tightness during opening or closing, which is fine for me, but maybe for you it's not. Oh, by the way, this laptop stand is totally made up of metal guys. There is no plastic, so you can use it for a very long time than the plastic ones. Previously, I reviewed one more laptop stand that is also close to this price range, but that one feels like overall has loose attachments compared to this one. I want to be clear to you, this laptop stand is doing its job for what it is meant for with good quality and good price. That's all I can say. I'm not comparing the cooling of the laptop here because it varies from laptop to laptop. If in case it's a laptop cooler that has fans inside, I can definitely show you the difference, but here it is not possible. Definitely I can say that yes, this laptop stand will help you to give a better air circulation for your laptop based on the elevation you are using. Now talking about the problems, to be frank, I didn't notice any problems guys in my usage. Even I was also surprised while scripting this video about this section. The one thing I can say when it comes to problems is, because for me it's not a problem, maybe for you it is. It's the mobility of these attachments. As you can see here, if you move any moving part and leave it there, it is in that place without moving anywhere or sudden drops or loose attachments. Apart from this, there are no issues. It is useful for every single person who has a mindset to buy a laptop cooler. So that's the review of this Megastro laptop stand guys. If you want to buy it from Amazon, I added the link in the description box. It's a affiliate link. If you buy through the link, I get some commission so that I can review more products in future. And thank you so much in advance for this amazing help. If in case you want to print any name on this laptop stand, you must order it from the official website, where again I have given the link with a coupon code in the description box. If you click the link and copy that coupon code, you get some more discounts during the checkout. Again I'm telling, do note that if you want to print your name, order from the official website. Just compare the prices from this website and Amazon listing, so you get the idea of where you get the good price and where you have to order.